Tonight I heard the dying duck quack. I jumped so high, nearly broke my back. Its mournful cry filled me with alarm. The dying duck in the thunderstorm. My heart knows where the dying duck knows, and I dry my eyes and I blow my nose. Live duck, dying duck, roast duck too. If you were hungry, you'd kill him too. The roost is warm, but my cupboard's bare. My wife loves that duck, but I don't care. When she wakes to prepare our chuck, she'll find, poor critter, a roasted duck. My heart knows what the dying duck knows, and I dry my eyes and I blow my nose. Live duck, dying duck, which is best? A dadgum duck or a field of best? My woman was kind and true to me. She says she loves me, and that could be. She loves that duck like a long-lost son, but a duck is better when it's cooked well done. Let it fly, let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. My heart knows where the dying duck knows, and I dry my eyes and I blow my nose. Live duck, dying duck, roast duck too. If you were hungry, you'd kill him too. The crops are growing, but I can't wait. My stomach says it's a getting late. When she goes to that duck's nest, she'll find a feather. We ate the rest. My heart knows where the dying duck knows, and I dry my eyes and I blow my nose. Live duck, dying duck, which is best? A dadgum duck or a field of best?